Piotr, all these things. Shadiabano. Yes, I could police for car. Yes, I could police for car. Now, what brand here? To say, what you want me? Anytime I mean, your stories will be no. So, story we see we are going to do we knew we are going to and away Jane. Miss Anyman, we maybe because I don't answer be any. I say, I know, so stories. I am a Europe for the year. So, a year, I'm about 2 hours. And so, him say, so of our Europe. And I say, oh, anti Europe, oh, sister, Europe. And I say, they be on TikTok, 2 hours, no, but 40 hours a week. It's what I'm saying, because your stories be about UK. And then Belgium for no, Germany for no mogus, juma, juma. 90% boom. Serious ones, no, they don't have time. So time a Europe for no. Europe for no, especially UK for the Germany for no, TikTok no Jimmy omo. Asemi kwenya so no mutiso juma, but do one juma. America, abrochanga sani America, hankwa na 40 hours a week. A hankwan ye 9 to 5. A hand ye juma 40 hours. Europe will be 40 hours. Omunyina 2 hours. Into about 2 hours na. No be fear. No be so TikTok. No we Jimmy Iti ebo nyumra no asako about 2 hours account. The whole week go to be 12 hours pe. Into Europe for the am fan chomo. Amade kudenti ano mu Jimmy more TikTok than say. On said nipa dodo no so mo Europe no omo ntebrofo omo ntumi type. Nipa dodo no mo Europe no, especially omo mugu Germany no, any omo mugu UK no, dodo no to mean type it, also omo to mean tro. Into TikTok and any perfect avenue for them. Into hona na also omo gu no mu Jimmy Center free. Into normal. Into ko hu omo TikTok na asembia ba no mu kebi na wetiem na dia na time kra na emmema no. Utumi hu papa mpenifo omo hwa aso nyina efu dwene na mpenifo emmema titira macho fo na omo Jimmy omo TikTok. Adam say na momo nya nkwara wo magini nyini mote say nkofo uncles nkofo kununum na papa mpenifo na ejimifo na we ni we kontokwa na we mihia no me won recording omo Jimmy ntide bi omo kasa no mo recording sa emmema omo Jimmy dodo no wo Europe Germany UK ena kakra bi go America omo Jimmy no omo Jimmy mo no kra ni omo a sebio omo twi long distance omo twi across cross country sa track omo de omo Jimmy che bibia omo mu bi omo ni dwuma bia di omo tena omo hwa so omo gote ewu enti omo no de omo ni man se omo ba betena TikTok na nkwase akeka omo dwa ogira de bewu enya Germany fo nyina se me ka omo Jimmy no Germany fo no omo nim nyansa pa no de da ebi mo omo mako school kakra o Germany omo ye omo dwuma 40 hours a week clean dodo no omo Jimmy no sa na sefo no go Germany no omo de 2 hours no ma betre fie Jimmy na o twa me yi aba Friday na okwa yi ase so a na wasa kodi konkonsa na nsempo do we yi a last me hu ba ku TikTok na omo de aponchi statue abesi se o odwan we ye de be che se Jimmy sa inti sa kakra na omo Jimmy no mamunsia omo mamuntie omo oba Germany ye Ghana fo mu nim nyansa mu bo adwuma mu ne den a omo ye adwuma pa sa nkofo na mo nhwe omo dodo na Jimmy Ghana fo dodo omo gu Germany omo Jimmy Ghana fo dodo omo gu UK omo Jimmy kakra bi na ye established o kakra bi na ekrom America ye Ghana fo be 90% a omo ni $2,000 da omo account no mti krom ha enso esi abonsan wa Ghana na ne hu fin obeba obi ayi ase obeba obi wedding na o de container sisi the car to obewie aduane akodi ni hu fin o shale ho pa I so pro ko UK ko hwe go sem ponche o mu dwa mo bogus ni bi mo Jimmy na sefo no o mu guo na otumi hu obi jacket bi a share ase uniform what abrochi why so pro obetra TikTok and kwase akeka na mo so ma so na odada no ho na ogina kitchen odunso kura wote obi otumi so TikTok na ohyebatu na kururu bese kwase to mo Jimmy na mo de abrochi na mo ko no mai sentafre na asefo no sa na asefo no na ase kwan boat fo no omo Jimmy na omo sorry a asema beto no omo nya abotire ndwene ho obekono mugu platform se emmoa ya ntiase hwe ya mpene wo adwuma papa bi di wa abrochire a de na kwase bi ensie ne busuani a ebe wo problem Uye Juma Papa Bidia, Jimmy, and there you say, Omu rent and Nebo and deal 300 euros, 400 euros, 600, Omu rent Yakosra 800 euros. A Jimmy for good Germany in UK no, or the UK. Some question for them who TikTok be bro Jimmy. The rent Yakosra 450 euro a pounds. No beach or should be basement so could see. No, but not TikTok. Or can question some sa or dim question some or train any pen and support send them. En kwasia samon kwa en tabo dan bi no mutititim tantan tan uto bofo monte e jimifo omo fin na embema ne kwada muhu a embema no go Europe ni America na obekọ no go TikTok no maso yentiasia wey me record no me dem be record na kira mo hwe na me se hem kwasia hwe mo jimi hwe mo jimi bi embema na mo jimi sei na me record wey na we record wey na we record wey mo jimi Mbema mwisi so a wo se moma ma hwem na mo ka se bra de ni ate we de ni abie we na mo de mo jimi na me record we na we fra me record we na wo hwem mo jimi o mo Google TikTok na mo jimi sa there you go Obia sorry no person trend or internet so enkwasi ideas obi to make us all TikTok go share we jimi now asmo kan ni nyina so ne de o twiti asem onim asem ni ti onim ne nan na bema panyini mu ntware kwasi panyi o tere hwa so ekeka kwasi asem na we yati we ne yati o we de NPP hwe ne jimi obi ti gara asem wo fa wa abrochire kwasi asem nko a enkwasi asem almost afro no meduru Ghana na Jimmy dan time bi no mde de no akogya yefra bro chabo na ohwo mo hu fi bi dan time bi no jejejenim na obusa won na sankofo enti ko mutumi chiro kenkan a sa Jimmy se mo betima ye adentina bro chire na yefo sa ma Jimmy fo abebo apie so wa ha adentina Jimmy fo abebo apie so wa ha yentumi ye ho hwe omo Jimmy me de mba ne krampo de omo ya it's natural about some women. Not all women. Some women embody naturally. Say, just say, oba fufrenya sama ane omude. Until you see women, bickering and it's normal. Now, mema, abeti. Na omutuo eni ma ku. Na wey, ya wuno, ya nimuno, ni ya wahano mbaye, ya rekorde no hwene kwasia. Hwene kwasia bi, o rekordo hwan. Omuko didi trailer na omuko didi ajantra fo kwan so no mo ba na munyina mo ya re na mabetena ho ya ntiasia wey ya record no me say na magimi sa munjai sa de no mun use TikTok ni ye Jimmy ne Dawson bogus de dodo no magimi bogus me problem ya bogus no mo bogus ni bi mo abrochire mo agibi mo betena obi abetena krom ha 35 years 25 years de onima no wa meto ye ha na meto ha ntidi en wey obeto ye ha sa ha ne yete ntidi en ya beto wo ntidi en ya beto ha ya beto wo Bronx ntidi en ya beto wo Massachusetts ntidi en ya beto wo Ohio ntidi en ya beto wo ntidi en den wo tena ha de papa be pa na waye ya wahana mo beto ye oh ya young man now you try to do your own things to start to live good hey ya ntiase hwede omo ya mo motena motiase nkukuo nkura motiase nkura. You just want to destroy every young person who wants to just achieve something. People are young, they'll make mistakes. Allow them. Na omo tititi krom ha kwasiafo na omo ma obiara entumpon. Omo be share program asa anything me menko program Ghana program mede yede. But watchna the governor of Bank of Ghana is coming to Hilton Hotel or Alexandria. I'll go. They are going to talk about remittance. Yes, is sending Ghana how you can invest it. Tomorrow, when is that? Is it Sunday? Saturday or Sunday? I think there's a promo ad. I'll play it. And then they make up the answer room. Omo titi kromha kwasiasam oba America, oko UK. Omo a wo nkwara, omo ma ne gugu kromha ejibifo ajantrafo, omo wa ajantrafo gugu kromha. I had the enkoma sebo, hey, Pili, and I can ask, hey, Franco, the Yankanasem, American, ya wano, Obagana, no abejino bibaso. Sa LGBTQ, asemo ya be. Omo mo abro chire nyina omni trumu for nete. Ghana for muti America. About 70% of them, omo ma trumu no muti America. Omo nyina ne omo nete. They know. Omo mama ewo lesbian friends. Omo ma bema ewo mbema omo ni omo da. Omo nim. And so ba ye die Christopher ye ntiasie na aban no na enkwasi asem nko a oba krom ha e Christopher mo Ghana for mo ha nyina omo managers ye gay for gay ni bia ni wanu bekọ adwuma mo a obetuma pass no because omo mo ye smart. Ghana for 90% of krom a omo nyina managers ye gay for omo ni omo na tip so hello how are you no mo hage omo oba fie pe na ye be so peace fm ye ntiasie kwasia to kwatena Ghana. Asiato yentiasie ena tumu me see Ghana for omuti America ha 90% of Ghana for omuti ha omumma ene omumma omodudu omumpenyi breso 90% omu ye gays and lesbians they know me see Ghana ni bia ni krom ha na dwuma mu owo enye oni gay na wo break room enye oni lesbian omu nyina ne omu nete ha normal. Oh, omu hagi omu nyina. Are you going to come to my birthday? Oh, it is my 48th birthday. Come. Yet to me a party, Ghana need to be a party, and they gave one now for new Mujumaba, and it ain't a problem. Kwasiato or my pressure of ye, Yantias yet, to Kotana Ghana or dying. Hypocrisy. Jimmy, new people, you don't speak truth. Of Ghana, of Kromha, making or to New York or to low income housing move. I bind diamond or te, I bind a 8 rent, or near your papa bia, or Kodru Ghana pet, no, I could give you a contenso. Hey, sister Koniaba. Na otia konyum e hall ho. Bag is in chain. And kwara modi 26, 28, 30. Osmo bia bie na o'clock kwa hin. And so be kroma ne banum wi so pro. Bra kroma na be hede nkwasiade na be ye. Friday on 20 an America had the entia kwara. Omo bedru Ghana ai na bena wen akwara we university. Akwara we a tertiary institution a osan kokwa bontene eko hu nkofo na otumi expand ne ho no na omo hye nkofo so. Okwahi moma ni brefie unenam he na omo paniki wo fie ho adan a sister Vida so Bronx not no oti low income housing mu aban quarters no tim omega aban quarters no tim obeduru Ghana obekeka nkwasiasam na omo be seni poso Ghana get time kra ni abrochire ballafo no abrochire baller no omo se sa abrochire baller ba no sa bogus no mutsa abrochire baller fun tantan na ende omda hu di JVC ba obodam what is that JVC free Japan be hunahuna ni Paul eye adabraka sa omo mutsa abrochire baller no in some close over Ghana nyina bogus de ba Ghana omo mutsa abrochire baller no na oba ya de abegu try your luck ye jibi ntini eguso and we there 1300 Ghana yan testere ha abofunu una na osesa na okwa ho Mobile fia na mabe yire so Panasonic and they the Panasonic for Germany ba na wako is a deck or the deck what to be the deck about beton deck or Ghana deck en kwasiasem na mako is nkondwa bi emu otutu na mo de begula pass ni pe young man pope ba ku mienu bi akosi ni dem na ma yire so ye ntiase utumi to akokokoko akonnwa broni ayusu a emu abema o se o da besi abonten na wo de pick up abefa abrochire bola na wako kentenso ahye pimpini sete odi di nkofo yire okwa yiyase a nkwasiaka ka bi ekuta no 1993 Benz V ai mwako de okofo nyoma firi abrochire bo amwako na ese Ghana osesa bola de ba fie ada mwako Ogesi no mo bedru Ghana no mo hunhuna nipa hwe nkwasiade a enkwara wetimi fi America beye sa akatafo nkwara we ni small nkwara mo titi krom ha 17 18 19 yes year of return enkwara ba Ghana na ankwara nketenkete omo wura Ghana pe na impenifo tete bo yes mo nsare na nkwara metena se kwasiasam enkwasiasem saa de na aya no mu free America ebe Germany de ebe no Ghana no omo abrochire mu ntumi nyew ma meka bibi nchire mo mabusuafo bebrɛ mfra abrochire ba omo ni sika o ehia omo abrochire mama obi mfra abrochire behunahuna ho 90% of them ehia omo metuma ka kyerɛw Ghana for omo ti abrochire omo ni $10,000 physical da ho 90% yane ne hard killers no 90% of what's wana they be 2 years no ba Ghana no sika na auditor ticket no auto ticket 2023 ehia no onika prewa America oba wasesa ball egudam se me de beko Ghana upe bebi atena kra wunya bebi ntena edwuma oye enye sika papa bia na onya but omo ba na obehye muso ofie na omo mamu mbɔ mo bra bro chire behwe na omo akoze sa nyoma fumia begu Ghana ubeduru Ghana ball ankoa gukwa ho na omo yire so na omo jinkofo yire nom na ai frimpon abo na nka eyi James ana James Kwatin ai wa body nyoma ba na ye bie nyoma mi na nyoma gu a ye bie nyoma ma so we ase abodam o hwe nyoma eguo 2023 no toss our ticket no trip advisor on to mean to ticket every airline ho 90% of Ghana for moba omo America moba Ghana Massachusetts for Ohio for Bronx for omo nyina to ticket no trip advisor na nse de se ba ku bi mpo aba ye tumi ba obesia na watua ye friend saying besia nko a ehiafo enso omo mbra omo ho ase enkwase akeka enkwase akeka no omo de tete abrochire ha mo beka no kura kire fiefo no omo nye o omo bedu kroma na omo keka nkwase nipa bi omo ho fi na omo na New York na me see utumu nipa ese agu na dum ewrate nyakopon I say sebio ye jaye nine with the num just say uhwe nipa fu bi na yet Ghana na amafo bi creating pressure bi to say masa omo ye yanfo mo chire omo they are dirty mad people. They are all dirty people. You should not allow people living outside to intimidate anybody at home. Mamon penis idea no. So obi fra brochireba no more respect. I show the respect back. But so obi fra brochireba no be na say obe kantan wo so obe hunahuna men pene omuniska he I'm African Americans omo Ghana omuniska o. Sa akatafo na omo ba no ba bom 15. The reason to omo ba in a group they say discount into omo ba in a group. They don't budget more than $600 to be there. I'm telling you. And guys, let us not allow people living outside the ko UK ko hwe. Ghana for the guys say moi. I'm da won the kro to dan mu UK. Me say ko UK ko hwe. I'm da won the kro padlock to dan mu. Nipa sa na be gina Facebook no keka nkwase asem. Meka ni nyina. Mameka bi binchiro. Bogus no the ball and ba no. Obi ba nyoma no 2024 eno study so pack osora no pa. Meme area mete. Na onenam ho pick up tantan bi na watam microwave baako no de situo na onenam na akwata mattress baako okwa warehouse bi no about mame fam nyoma ngua. O hehya no beduru a o say pick one today pay in 30 days. Enkwasi asam nko a. Oniska wa brochire ho ote Canada no ho chire no buy you see a friend buy now pay 30 days time sika odi be container grow ni bi into oba no the mobile be adwuma try your luck buy now pay in 30 days in kwasi asem omom trip advisor for no me say omom de ticket ne ba Ghana no omom de ticket ba me say wa de on time ba Ghana on the adwuma nti oboa oniska me offer Frimpon, Frimpon de on 3 years, on this cover, on to me manda mochna. No, onika pre, and ya Frimpon and Peso Ghana. And ya Frimpon a Ghana dear, or Peso about 2 years to, or bois, on this go to back to back. Or Sako who play now, one winning that 39B, or 53C, before chicken. A young fool, Monsieur Moba, Montaka Moshet and a fruit of the loom, qua. Young for white shot, white socks no motion. Costco, a Google baller, abroach boy, who a high sense. $2 for 10, $16 for 80. Some socks no more motion. A prisoners na show. White shirt no motion. A plain white shirt, you know. Okom a Missouri, a prisoners na she. It took me 12 in a pack, $8. Intenya tade papa biya to say wo fi abrochira ba or say white socks or say white ni nyina dollar shop okwa $1 obetuma to bibia bi. Inti omo ba so a wa unim yi one chicken or beef omo kwa economy no mo ko ho. Bogus ni bia Jimmy. The idea ebufu kura ne say every time be a Ghana flight to free America. Flight ye to a yania ye priority for no first class business for no. Yani for first. For some reason, obeko gate na no na gate na no block adan a obi ti 92k na ogina priority for enim. Adan tira opebebi de bag phone akosi. Inti abrofo no de bia Delta o United o flight bi etu akọ bia na abrofo no buofu. Every say me I used to work at JFK as a Delta agent. Edu Ghana flight ne Africa flight na abrofo no buofu adan a ye ndi mra so ye Jimmy. Yeah, Baba full plane, your phone your phone group by group. Obviously, say you be plane gate and say Obianko for priority for for first. Obekoda, kwasi pay okuta bag time bi, a dia chogun fancon bag. Na or block adaya or penintama kotinim a pooflu STC na akofu. When just ankwasi adena home. Na obekono na obugu plane yani business was yakwa ni atrase. Overcona wo yababusa me say me frequent flyer me priority flyer anti or say me transibia or say one of the air hostess girls no eba me because thank you very much Mr. Taylor for flying with us today. Me pajamas ho bibia ho because I fly a lot, you know, and I fly only business. Anti me say no me transi no agin bag that show busa me what I like wine, I like sparkling water, I like champagne ni na koso ho I say heaven no VIP. Now be show betu ani ahwe ho. Ana bra na pinu kakrai na we dey sanka oye ni say ya na nka oye ni say ya obi carry on the bow ni ma obewu carry on ekuta no banchi den e dey nkwasasam no ni party plane ko na yam hihye no de bia ne plane sa because must sa baller na omugu ekiro no mokontokwa ai me na meti 32B na de na woti 18C na wo do bag abesha na gonwan na we dey twe ho kakrai na obo so obi abie nchachira so play mu or we nchachira bro nya ye play na tu fa wiem that dia noma na wantu ehu nyansa mpo anya tai wo de nchachira kotrem wo be we nchachira enkwasi asam nko a boges no na mu gu ekire ho edu sometime tutu mani na ma hwe ekirem say eh dia asam so na ekosu na we kan ai mesa mo akoda me mpesa akra ye nimu sa na mo ye we do you know me how do you know me for gu ekire ho omunika pre. So how do you know me for? Do you know who am I? Who I am? Do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know me for only $10,000 put down my accounts will cry? Do you know me for? Masa don't do you know me? I also do you know me? A young for the can do you know me? A young for the pesaka sadeka. Do you know me? One who can be bid the fee, Adrian Papa will fee, Nayremba, or what's the capital because do you know me? Why do you have to tell somebody if they know you? Oh my God, do you know me for? Ubeko chirono obia busana nyanko do you know me na if do you know me na ebeda na ye nyina nti ye nyina celebrities ya betena na if you want people to know you now 59k no oti bini no I don't do that. You know me. Also, so do you know me? We are all going to Ghana. You know. When we get to Ghana, you don't see me as a small person. Also, do you also want to see me as a small person? Say, "From Jimmy B." Plenty page the more no more da. I'm taking beef or chicken. Yes, madam. Oh, sorry. Do you have Coke? I put ice. I near Shaman. No, but beef or chicken? Osia? Beef or just here? Osi beef. Also chicken. Beef. Osi. I want to come again. Osi beef or chicken. I go and say the so chicken. Chicken near the plastic fork. I can't. And to me kunipa. That means yama plastic fork. And ye good foil mu into obiesu na adwene ne say ote chicken onim say akoko kontwa akase wom obiesu pe chicken breast we de ani abofunu we na de ani ogi say ka say chicken no akoko kontwa akoko obobon kase mu ha abofunu abrofo wi nkase ade Piotr abroche bola nko a ebi ni he mo hwa abroche we na go saba no me di nko asem ga abroche bola nko a
ma video koko aso hwe mattress ni de wa microwave ni TVs dale nkwala na yinyam egu o ma wie screen sa say yo we school no moko. We are Boston. Kona be a friend in Cambridge. When you bra metro. Charlie, video coco versus Ghana. A video coco as so, mattress in the wa, microwave ni TVs. Charlie, Colana, you know, go, or maybe school, and I say, you. Or maybe school no moko. We are Boston. Kona be a friend in Cambridge. When you bra metro. Charlie, video coco versus Ghana. Video coco as so, mattress in the wa, microwave ni TVs. Darling, Colana, you know, go, or maybe school, and I say, you. Or maybe school no moko. We are Boston. Kona be a friend in Cambridge. When you bra metro. Charlie, video coco versus Ghana.
When I'm going to Sabano, I broach the ball and go, so close to a ma. Oba say pick today and pay 30 days time. Na kwasi ato odinko for yire Ghana. Aden from pound in your mouth abrochire ba. Abrochire ball ankwa nyoma egu kwa no nyina abrochire ball ankwa. Montete so na ehiafo nya bi na masa be yire so. Osabe fu play that. Do you know me? Na or pre beef and chicken ho. Now do you know me ni am plastic fork no? Abofru. Do you know me? Do you know who am I? Do you know if you go together? Do you know me? Kwasiato 10 minutes yeah the plastic fork amano. Do you know me now? The plastic fork ediko akosia. Jimmy. Do you know me now? And the opre plastic fork hono. Plastic knife. Who do you know me? Do you know me? Who do you are? Sa economy hona. I just send you pan to ho. Dia ya say play the page 20 minutes no nyina da. Tablets kakraba yes way Jesus. Yani no plane wo so ayante se ben anim ho yani turbulence na ade yante plane baby mu odu na ho ne yate safety na ho ne wo yate pilot na chi wa intare gidigidi ayante oti turbulence ka wo so yes way Jesus erade fe kodu Jimmy do you know me who so bewu economy for no e che plane na wo so eye kekekekeke no money ate Jesus ye betu plane so bronya di nka chechire plane ko hwefo ma ade be free straba fa sha ohene ya wodi awi ansa na yo obi de bibia beba na enso tikikire say Jesus ye rade we de wanje ya Jimmy do you know me na ansa na wusuro ya befu plane bronya di nka kire ye say oh plane bibia to be see etumi teto ame nyina etumi wu ene etumi teto nsuom ame ebi tumi nyankwa ene etumi nya emergency landing inti say eba bibi saasi a memfa wo bag phone no jato ho sebio eyi bi betwe firi soro eno wo de be hye ohene se na obetuma home na oba so benwa na waye ne de ama no uwi a na make sure say ekwan na dan finfin no obia enja bibia nto wagimi nti wato bag phone tantami le bag na watam bag no na akolo kwa konwa na breki na ebekunipa ja bag phone to ho broni di nka kire so ade ayefu ebetumewu eye kinkiri kekere yes Jesus we dear na Jimmy for the jirem sandore ababa bebebe no be dia jiri so tanwem bebebe tanwem I say bidie ka ye jeso in the name bebebe no be techo and the tanwem na I say engine ejino say plane na wo so keke first class na onti awoso no. Do you know me? Plane was so now you show. Abofru, do you know me what VIP home? Munipa. You don't respect. Moko jina economy. Munya in term na plane into no. Mutimi disturb munipa we chiro na plane 45 minutes da huti plane mu. And then ya obi in the bag akosho obi baby. Now plane no papa dia.
The NPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,